asshole? Why are you chasing me? Are you after my car?
Dude, I'm not doing nothing to you.
You're a carjacker, aren't you?
Yeah.
You've been fucking following me since fucking freeway.
You're nuts, dude.
You're a fucking carjacker, aren't you? Get the fuck out of the car.
You're nuts, dude.
Yay! Get the fuck out of the car.
Are you threatening me?
No, you're threatening me by fucking
me with your
chasing me.
stick?
You're a carjacker? You're a fucking carjacker, aren't you?
You're
What a fucking ass? Yeah, why don't you fucking take me? Yeah, take this shit.
You're a nutcase, dude.
No, you're a fucking asshole. You motherfucker, you're a carjacker, you're chasing me. Why the fuck you chasing me like this? Huh?
You're going to jail, pal.
Fuck you. I'm gonna send you motherfucking ass to jail if I go fucking jail.
You gonna hit me? You gonna hit me with that?
No, get the fuck out of the car. Why you fucking threatening me by fucking chasing my car? You're a
want-
carjacker?
Nobody's
You're a
chasing your
fucking carjacker.
You're a nut.
Is there fucking color in here? You're a fucking carjacker, aren't you, motherfucker? Or selling, who the fuck are you? Selling kitchen?
You're a nut, dude.
You're a fucking, I'm gonna teach you a motherfucking lesson.
You're a nut, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You cut me off on the fucking freeway? You wanna steal my car?
Yeah.
Yes.
Like I want
just
your
fucking
car.
confess. You motherfucker just confess. You fucking piece of shit.
You just hit me, dude.
Fuck you.
You just hit me. Thanks. Now
Yeah.
you are going to jail.
Oh yeah, right. And add this to it too. Yeah, that's what I deal with, the motherfucking carjackers.